It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Set Up for Comeback. In my book, I share the story of a young wife and mother who was a homemaker. Her husband went off to work one day and was killed in a car crash. So she was faced with a situation and decided to face the situation as it was and said she would succeed in spite of the challenges. She took the money that they had been saving for a new home and went to college. After graduating, she went on to get advanced degrees and became a very successful educator. She said that once she faced her situation as it was like riding a 10-speed bicycle, where often we have gears we don't use until we are forced to. We can all start using all of our gears, especially in these challenging times, and we can see how much faster and further we can go. This is your day to win. So do it. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com, winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. Share this video with everybody you know, and remember to make the most of every minute because your best is yet to come.